Well, hello everybody. I am Bastian Torres and I'm going to present my journal number 4. In this unit, I learned some details about politics. And for example, something that I found interesting is one class that we have the chance to discuss about the Anatel's debate, when we have the opportunity to listen to the debate of Anatel and talk about the different ideas of the politicians. Other point that I found interesting is the task. Before we have to, well, in this moment we have to make a kind of research about the different 9 presidential candidates and made an analysis about his ideas. For example, in my case, I have to do a research about Franco Parisi, and I think that he had good ideas, but in some points is like discrimination. For example, he wants free education in public universities, but what happens with the students that are in private universities? What happened with them? And a new question that I have for this topic is why the political parties, but especially the presidential candidates, are attacking among themselves. And that's my question in this unit. They are focused just in attacking other people and knowing his political ideas. In this unit, about the receptive skills, I found easy to listen, because I have the how I can say that, I have the chance, or I have the skill to understand when I hear a person talking, and I found that reading is not difficult at all, but for example, when we don't know the meaning of a word, we have to think or to search, and we lost time doing this, but no, nothing more than that. And I found, as I said before, I found difficult to know the meaning of all words when you are reading a text. And productive skills, I think that for me it's not difficult to speak, because I think that I have good fluency, with a couple mistakes in pronunciation and grammatic, but I always try to speak in classes and giving my opinion about different points of view. But I think that sometimes is, at this point I think that write is the more difficult point for me, because sometimes I don't know how I can write some word, and you can make a mistake, and this could be dangerous, for example, in a written exam, because you need a good mark, and these are difficult points that we have to do in the final. For example, when we have to write and text giving an opinion about something. Fluency and how to improve. I think that I have a good fluency, as I said before, with some couple mistakes, but always we can improve our language, and I think that we can improve our language reading and the text that we have to read in classes, and participating in classes, giving your opinion, and think speaking, because if we want to improve our language, we have to speak with our classmates or with the teacher, and that's something that is natural. With the pass of time, if you work in that, you can be better. Well, in my final point, the language structure. For me, the most difficult situation is when I want to say something, to find the right word, and that's the reason, because we have to read. The reading is a way to improve our language, because if we want to learn new words, we can find these new words in the books or in the stories that we have to read, or for example when we make a research as in classes for the last task about the presidential ideas. And after all, I think that I have a good fluency and have a good language, but we always can be better, and we have the chance to do this, because this just depend on you, because you are the person that have to work for yourself. If you work hardly, you can improve your language always. That's my analysis about this unit. See you next semester. Bye.